Hi Raj, my name's Tim. We spoke on the phone with regard to the Traveller. I'm just going to do a walk around for you just to show you the condition of the vehicle, just so you can get eyes on, and then we'll catch up a little bit later, just see what your thoughts are. So let's have a closer look. So it's the 2-litre auto and the Allure, so it's the higher trim. I'm just going to go around all the alloys for you. Let's have a good look at those. It does have the power mirrors, so they do close in, and it does have the power side doors as well that open for you. There you go, just done that by the key fob. That gives you the full leather interior. So see the seats folded down there. The seats row 2 and 3 all slide backwards and forwards, and you can even remove them if you really want to give you various combinations of seating. So nothing to report on the driver's side. There's a rear alloy for you. And here there is a small mark just to the bottom boot on the tailgate in there, which you can see it's just in the surface of the plastic. And then you've got a parcel shelf for the boot. That's where the seat's all the way back. So they go forward from there to give you a bit more room if needed. There is some head rash to the near side, so I'll show you. It does run the full length of the vehicle, so you can see it there in the sunlight. It's quite sunny, which is not a bad thing actually, so you can see it. My suggestion would be that I have my valeters look at that and just see if that can polish before coming down, essentially. So that's something we'd certainly look at. And there's just a very slight scuff just there, which I should think would polish a bit. It's never going to disappear, would be slightly better. Probably that mark there would be my concern. I can't feel those with my fingernail. They don't have any lip, which would mean we could probably get rid of most, if not all of, but we'd certainly have a go. And then you've got your front alloy there as well. There's a tiny bonnet chip there. That one is not. And there's a little mark there which I think would pretty much polish as well. But it is a used car, it's a 67, so they're going to have some marks to them, but that's an exterior view. Let's have a look at the inside. So it's the full leather interior through row 1, 2 and 3. You've then got your massage and electric function with electronic adjust to the front 2 seats. So you've got captain style chairs, you could climb through the middle with armrests. Row 2 then do slide forwards and backwards. There's a bar underneath like your traditional front seats, so you can go back, but it effectively gives you options to then climb through to row 3 in the back, which again, all individual seats, all in leather, Isofix on all 6 of those rear seats. Just to check, the mileage is 13,330 on the mileage for you there, and you've got your touch screen, your aircon system, stop start function because of the keyless entry, nice easy dial system for your gear selector with the manual function, which then utilises the paddle shift behind the steering wheel. Twin glass roofs which have got manual blinds, lets bags of light in to the back of the vehicle. Nice and light and airy. And then your steering wheel controls deal with your radio or your function with your telephone and the voice control scenario. Rear doors are all isolated and can be operated from the front of the cabin. And you've got your USB and your 12-volt socket there. There we go.